Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher, graduate student of the Grok mentoring program, and today is Tuesday, March 1st, 2011, and this is a vNewsletter stock report. Taking a look at the S&P 500 today, and you can see a big down day. We did make a higher high, but a much lower low, cracking through some pretty major areas of support, especially this trend line that we've been looking at here for quite some time. You can see we had that swing low there, tagged it again in November, and then of course here once again in February. We broke that today, so that hurts a little bit if you're a bull. You can see we're below the 20-day moving average. We happen to close right here at this previous swing from a few days ago. So right now things are looking a bit weak. If we do get another lower high and lower low, we'll have a confirmed downtrend, and that'll change things. We'll want to definitely focus on the bear stocks. So right now, personally, what I'm doing is just kind of sitting on the sidelines and waiting to see what the market's going to do to lead the way of how to trade. We also have a downtick here, or a downturn on the MACD. Take a look at that. We've got a negative tick on the histogram, and we're bouncing off the zero line heading down. So right now we're going to take a look here at our bull stock. That's FDO. Let me pull this over so we can see it here. And we can tell here that this is actually still set up bullish, but with the markets being as weak as they are, again, I'd be a little leery on going long or short right now. We did make a higher high and a higher low, so that's good. We have a nice reward to risk ratio here again. If you had an entry above in this line here, it was not triggered today. We didn't have a high enough high, and of course our stop here would be underneath this candlestick here. We do have some resistance to bust through from this previous swing here, so it's still looking pretty decent. We're positive on the MACD. We've got low volume on the pullback, so that's all good, and we're above the 20, 50-day moving averages, so things are still looking good with FDO. But again, personally, I don't have enough confirmation in the main market to go long or short right now, so I'm going to continue to watch this guy, and I think that would probably be the best thing to do at this point. Our bear stock, ICLR, we're still low basing, which is nice. Even with a big bearish day today, we're still having not many sellers are interested in selling this right now, which is fine by me, because I'd rather wait for the markets to make up its mind, and in the meantime, if this guy can continue to base, it will still be in its low base, and it would still be a possible entry for a short. Now we do have some support down here at this previous swing, so again, I'm not interested in shorting this until we get below the $19 mark. After that, we've got quite a bit of area of room there to drop. We have to go all the way back here. If I bring this back here and then stretch that back out, you can see that a little better. A little bit of support here in this region, but really we can get all the way down to the $16 mark if this starts breaking down as expected. But again, you need to wait for market confirmation. Right now the markets are changing. They're not very bullish, not very bearish at the moment. We're just kind of hanging out there. Tomorrow will tell us a lot of information. If we can get a lower high and a lower low, then we'll be concentrating a little bit more on these bear stocks. So for now, just hang tight and wait for the markets to make up its mind. So I hope you all have a good day trading, and we'll be talking to you again tomorrow night. Take care.